G'day, and how you going? And today, in our non-academic study in which we talk about subjects we have no idea what we're talking about. So I won't be talking about geology on this channel because I know a bit about that, or some aspects of paleontology. So today we talk about alpha males. Now, what is an alpha male? I'm not talking about the animal kingdom. I'm talking about humans. So an alpha male is someone, who pretty much just knows leadership. So there are, I've got this off another video, which I'll put in a video. So there's 12 aspects of alpha males, and the first thing you don't do, you don't put glasses on. You look like a little ninny, look like a little nerd. I'm a nerd. Yeah, look, with all the books in the background, you're a nerd. You're not an alpha male. You're like a flappy male. You're one of those males who, when you scream at the highest pitch. Ah! Anyway, so okay, social ranking. So, are we talking about alpha males? We're talking about fake alpha males. We're talking about fake alpha males. Alpha males you can find on the other channels, but fake alpha males, social ranking. A fake alpha male gives an indication that they can climb a rank hierarchy. So if they're in a business, they can reach the top or to a certain position. Obviously, they can't shoot the owner and just take over the business. Mafia style, that works, but most of the world that does not work. But fake alpha males, they try and reach that, but they just don't connect with anybody. And when they don't connect with anybody, they usually just knock them out. Oh, boom! I'm higher than you. You could bloody, I'm your boss, man. Yeah, man. Oh, I'm man. Okay, so they can't actually get into social hierarchies really that well. Oh, that is really so very interesting. I'm smart. Too smart for my own good. I'm so smart that I'm poor. Okay, so a fake alpha male has to prove stuff. So, oh, look at my muscle, man. Look at my muscle. Oh, look at my bank account. Oh, look at my car. Look at my Lamborghini. Or something like they have to prove that they're smart. Oh, look at all my books. I can't read, but look at all my books, man. Oh, fuck, man. So, they have to prove themselves to be a violent person. So that's basically who they are. You respect me, man? You don't respect me, I'll beat the crap out of you, man. Fuck. Okay. They're natural leaders. An alpha male is a natural leader. A fake alpha male is not a natural leader. So it is not someone that wants to inspire someone. It's like, you do as I say, or else I'll fucking knock you, man. I'll punch your teeth out, man. Yeah. So that's a fake alpha male. They don't inspire leadership, and when they try to do leadership, pretty much they fail because they're just crap at it. So they're supposed to take charge of a situation. They try to take charge, but they just totally stuff it up instead of organising it and making it really good. Okay, emotional control. Fake alpha males, they can't control their emotions. They get very irritated if you do something wrong. Instead of being calm and collected and analysing the situation and saying, yes, we should do it another way. Alpha males, or the fake ones, they just lose their shit. You go to, sell something, put a sales call for it, it doesn't work. You didn't meet the target. They're like, what's wrong with you, man? Are you stupid? Are you not able to connect with the bloody clients to sell our crap? So that is, the alpha male, fake one. They just have no emotional control, very volatile. Keep away from them. okay, confident refusal. So if you ask them to do something pretty confident and they just say, no, I just don't want to do it, you're not going to force me in the conversation. A fake alpha male who just loses. This goes with emotional control. He just loses. Cry, no, he cries like a baby. No, not fake, do it. No, not me. No. So that's a fake alpha male. Someone who, is not confident refusal. They do refuse, but they're not confident about it. They have no idea basically what they're doing. Okay. Fake alpha male self-reliance. Now this one they can sort of do. So they can be self-reliant, but because fake alpha males are really stupid people, they have trouble with self-reliance. They don't actually need other people to do this stuff for them because they're just so incompetent they can't actually do it for them. Okay, personal opinions. They don't. A normal alpha male doesn't care whatever people think, but a fake alpha male really cares whatever people think. Oh man, oh, do I look good? Do I look good? Does this look good on me? Oh, does this shirt look good? Oh, am I the best? Oh, I can read the alphabet. Oh, A, C, K. Oh, I can use my phone. So that after self-confidence and, uh, personal opinions. They really care about other people's opinions. So, I'm the best. Am I the best? You have to tell me I'm the best. If I don't tell me I'm the best, I'll get very depressed. Okay. Expecting success. Yep. So, they expect to be successful in their own opinion. That's alpha male. A fake alpha male also expects to be successful, but because once again they're just really stupid people to like, oh, my brain hurts, or can't do that, or I have trouble putting the butter on the bread. How do I put the butter on the bread? Oh, I burnt the pot boiling water this morning. Oh my god. So they're expecting success, and generally they don't achieve it because they just don't have enough intelligence for to get that excessive neurons in the brain going. Okay, instinctive trust. So they have instinctive gut instinct. So that's basically what an alpha male does. Fake alpha male would also have the gut instinct, but generally their gut instinct is placed in the wrong thing. So you're talking about, oh, I can make this traffic light. Oh, my gut instinct says I can make the traffic light. I can go through when it's amber. But instead, the fake alpha male would actually go through the red light, and it actually turned red like a minute ago, and there's a semi-trailer coming and it just takes him out. Yeah, so that's his gut instinct. It's a little bit slow, so it doesn't really work that well. Direct communication, yeah, they do have direct communication, but it's not really the proper communication for a fake alpha male. So a typical alpha male would probably tell you what they think, but because they have emotional control, self-reliance, they also have empathy. It's not a conflicting direct communication. So they're not like, well, you do that now, or I'll bash you. Give me the money or else I'll bash you. That's not direct communication. They're like, can you please? So the alpha male's like, can you please do that? It will be very good for our organisation. The fake alpha male will go, you do that or shoot ya. That's basically it. Okay, and the last one is extreme discipline. So fake alpha males, they have discipline, sorta. They do things when they feel like, oh, I'm going to the gym today. I didn't go yesterday. Or I need to go to the gym. So they do partially have extreme discipline, but mainly the extreme discipline is in the area of the steroids. So they're pretty spot on. They do it within an hour of the time when they're supposed to shoot steroids. They always have an excess of ecstasy pills, so they're very reliable. If you want an ecstasy fix, they can set you up with that. And also, in their extreme discipline, is that they get very offended when someone else is not up to their par. So, because they don't have emotional control, they depend on the personal opinions. If you're not up to their level, they get very violent, and they just can't take that well. It's just like, get in my life, I don't want you here. But first, I had to give you 2 black eyes because my emotional control's not really there, and this is the only way I can actually prove my leadership. Or boom, boom, boom. So basically, that is what a fake alpha is. Just someone who's pretty violent, unable to deal with situations, and also they are people who probably go to your house and cause a mass shooting. Anyway, hope this helps you with your psychology. Anyway, this is an opinion of a person who's not a professional. Don't take it as fact. Take it as just pretty much crap.